guys, I'm just logging in to show you again how to access your groups for your behavior change feedback. So I showed you in the first video I posted, and several of you were able to successfully locate your groups and post in your discussion board, but I have some people who aren't doing that. So I wanted to post two ways that you can do this. One, you can post it in your groups. So there's a groups tab right here on the left. That's the groups tab I keep referring to that some of you are finding no problem and others of you are not looking here. So when you click on groups, it pulls up the groups here and your name should be assigned to one of them. And so Daylin, Brianna, Nellis, and Thasang, you guys would go to your group discussion board. You'd go in here and you would post. And several of you have done that. So that's one way that you can get feedback on your behavior change plan. Another way is to go to the discussion board, go down to behavior change peer feedback, which is what the majority of you did, and just post your plan, and you'll need 3 peer feedback. So if you've only gotten 1, make sure you go into your groups and post it there, because that's how I had showed you guys the first time. If by the end of this you still don't have any peer feedback, you can ask for a family member, but there's enough peers to go around for everyone. So this groups tab has been here the entire semester, and so has this behavior change peer feedback discussion board. So post in one of them, make sure you get some feedback, and let me know if you have any trouble. Okay? Thanks, guys.